You're here. I see some new faces, huh? Who's never met me before? You've never met me, huh? You don't know, huh? You're new, huh? Correct, huh? Correct, huh? So some of them, I repeat, like I do all my training. So here, you have high table, and you have high energy bars and restaurants, and sometimes it's really tricky. The best, if you can open the table, the wine on the table by your customers, it's good. It's fine for you. It's a high table here, so it's a bit tricky. Low table outside is easier. Me, I'm tall, and will be already tricky for it. If the table is packed, it's okay to go on the side table, but try to make sure your guests can see you when you open the wine. If you're like this, customer is, what is it doing with my wine there? Try to make sure. So, a friend here ordered some wine, or invited some VIP at the restaurant, and ordered a very good bottle of wine. He want to impress the VIP. So when you come, bring the wines. Always try to present the wine and to pronounce the name. Chile, Argentina, Australia, wine easy to pronounce. France, Italy, Spain, a bit more complicated. This one, okay, Ramon Bilbao Crianza. Yeah. So technically, Ramon Bilbao Rioja Crianza. You don't have to say the whole name. Some Italian name are very, very long. You can focus on some keywords. So you can say Ramon Bilbao, but we have a few Ramon Bilbao. So, this is Crianza is important. So maybe you want a Crianza, but you order a Reserva. Reserva is like 150 ringgit more expensive for that. So, this is your Ramon Bilbao Crianza. Okay? Good. So when you open the bottle, you know, these places, you guys get very busy all of the time. You're party, you have live music, it's loud, you have crowd everywhere. This table, you're on the rush. This table, after waiting for dessert. This one, you have to clean up the table. So we've been on the rush. But when it comes to open bottle of wine, sometimes it's better to take an additional 10-15 seconds in order to not rush and not break the cork. Who of you already broke a cork before? I have opened tens of thousands of bottles in my career of wine. I've been working wine for 30 years, and I still happen to break a cork. And if I break a cork, sometimes it may be the cork a little bit soft if you have all available. Majority of time, if I break a cork, it's my fault. Because I'm rushing, because I'm not concentrating, I'm trying to be too fast on it. You will. This one will be a bit soft. This one. Other one not done. Oh, this one a bit softer. So this one you need to be especially soft. Okay. This one is not too old. It's bizarre. Okay. You still have the cork puller I gave you last year?
Yeah, only one piece.
Only one piece. I bought two for you. Who put in the pocket?
That one already bent out.
Okay. So if it's this one, it's bizarre, you can use this one. Right. But majority of it's because it rushes. Why you break? It's maybe because it will break if you need to be right in the middle. If you're a bit sideways, you have chance of breaking. If you touch the side, if you are too much on the side, you have chance of breaking. If you are not deep enough, that's the worst, because you have to go, okay, good enough. Pull out, and then the bottom stay here, only the last 1 centimeters, and this is the worst. Sometimes you have to push it. If you break the cork, you have to spend an extra 5 minutes trying to go fish it out. So always been on the rough, but always try to take a little bit of time for some wines, you know, you're not going to break if you open this one. So this one, some is yours. This one's a bit soft, I need to be additional, a bit more